Cleaning your hair portable air conditioner is essential for three critical reasons: maintaining efficiency, extending its lifespan, and ensuring a healthy indoor environment. When you neglect cleaning, dust and debris accumulate in your air conditioner. This buildup creates serious problems that affect both performance and your wallet. A dirty filter restricts airflow, forcing your unit to work harder. This reduces cooling effectiveness and significantly increases your energy consumption and electricity bills. Regular cleaning also minimizes allergens and bacteria in your home, creating a healthier environment for you and your family. Now, when should you clean your portable air conditioner? Follow this simple schedule. Clean the air filter every 2 to 4 weeks, depending on how often you use the unit. The coils should be cleaned annually to maintain optimal performance. This deeper cleaning removes stubborn buildup that affects the unit's cooling capacity. Before you begin any cleaning, always remember this critical safety step. Unplug the unit from the electrical outlet. This prevents electrical shock and ensures your safety during maintenance. Modern hair units may include helpful filter cleaning reminders, but it's always good practice to keep track of your cleaning schedule manually to ensure optimal performance. Before starting any cleaning, always unplug your portable air conditioner from the electrical outlet. This is essential for your safety and prevents any electrical hazards during the cleaning process. Gather your cleaning supplies. You'll need a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment, soft microfiber cloths, mild detergent, warm water, and optionally, a specialized coil cleaner for deeper cleaning. The air filter is typically located behind a removable front panel. Remove the filter carefully and inspect it for dust and debris buildup. This filter should be cleaned every 2 to 4 weeks, depending on usage. Next, clean the evaporator and condenser coils. These are usually accessible after removing panels. Use your vacuum with a brush attachment to gently remove dust. For stubborn buildup, apply coil cleaner or use a soft brush with mild detergent solution. If your unit has a water collection tank, it's important to drain and clean it regularly. Remove the drain plug carefully and let the water flow into a container. Clean the tank with a vinegar and water solution to prevent mold and bacteria growth. Finally, clean the exhaust hose and air vents. Detach the exhaust hose and inspect it for dust buildup or blockages. Use a long brush or vacuum to remove debris from inside the hose. Clean the exterior vents with a soft brush and wipe them down with a damp cloth. After all components are clean and completely dry, carefully reassemble your portable air conditioner. Make sure all parts are properly secured and reconnected. Run the unit in fan mode for 30 minutes to eliminate any excess moisture before normal operation.